Well, to start my hair, I think it's going to take me days to do my hair. I want to do them small to micro. I want my hair to last me at least a few months, 2 to 3 months. I have my hair, hope I have enough. If I don't, I took a number 2 bundle and a 613 bundle. And I mixed them together, I feathered it, and I got this kind of situation. Some of them are different, some of them are more lighter than others, but we'll see how it turns out. I have all my equipments with me. I've got my Shine and Gem. I've got this stuff. It's okay, I've used it before on my daughter's hair. Works well. I've also used the other one in the red container, the Braiders gel. That one's good too. I have that, but I have more of this one, so just in case this one runs out. Clips, I've got a comb, elastics, got a hairbrush. I have everything. I've got my mirrors. I have one here right in front of me, and I have one to my right. So I hope that I have everything, and I hope everything turns out well. The only thing I really dislike doing is the parting and the braiding. Pretty much everything. But yeah, I dislike doing just the parting and stuff, especially in the back. But I'm gonna do my best. No one's gonna see it once the hair is on top of it. So I'll keep you updated as to how long this is going to take me. So as of right now, it's 1:27. So let's just say 1:30. And we are Saturday, April 3rd. Let's see how long this takes us. As a lot of you know, I do have a 9-month-old baby, and it's quite a challenge. It's been quite a challenge to get everything started, because yesterday I had to wash, deep condition, everything, treat my hair, scalp everything, blow dry my hair, and all in that time breastfeed, take breaks, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, so today they went for a walk, so I had to finish preparing the hair, and I'm sitting here talking, wasting time. So anyways, I'm gonna start. Stay tuned, enjoy. Now it's 4:30, 4 rows in. I'm very slow at this. Plenty of hair left on the rack, plenty of hair left on my head. It's fairly long, but I'll deal with that later. I'm not braiding it all the way down. I'm just braiding maybe about halfway-ish, and then just moving on to the next. Day 2. Been going at it for a few hours now. Don't even know what time I started. I'm not even keeping track of the hours at this point. I just want to get them in my head, but I'm making progress. I'm getting there. So yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to finish at least this part before the evening, and then maybe by early evening I'll be able to start at least the side. It's 6:15. Still April 4th. Easter Sunday. Still doing my hair. I'm gonna stop. I'm here now at the front section. Still have a long way to go. Done all that. I'm quite proud of myself, but this is taking way too long. So I don't know if I'll continue later on. We'll see. I'm gonna have dinner soon. So I just might continue tomorrow, and I might have to get more hair. Day 3, April 5th, making some good progress, but ran out of hair. So I had to wrap up my hair and go to the beauty supply store. Day 4, April 6th, Tuesday. I got done yesterday. This is how much I have left. Day 6, it is April the 8th, Thursday. Finishing off this last row here. I've got 3 left, and then I have 2 more rows here. It's still early, it's about 6 p.m. But I want to give my daughter a break. She's had my son since she finished school, so I want to give her a little bit of a break. The other reason why it's taking me so long too is because I'm working on my tucking, into the braid. I'm using the Shine and Gem gel, but My hair is short, it's got some blunt ends, and I'm just trying my best to try to tuck them as best as I can. But yeah, so that's another reason why it's taking me so long. And plus, my grip game is not great. So I've had to start, restart many times. And yeah, my braids aren't really close to my scalp, but they're as good as they're gonna get. So yeah, just thought I'd check in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Day 8, Saturday, April the 10th. A full week. Baby's sleeping. I have a little bit left. I want to get it done. I'm so happy. A full week, last braid. And these were my final results. So as you can see, I am almost done. So I was able to braid down one half of my head and the other half still working on. But yeah, at the end of the day, I love my braids. I love the way they looked. I love the color. I loved everything about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you very soon in the next one.